Unleash your creativity with our expert picks for the best 3D printers of 2025, in-depth reviews, comparisons, and buying tips perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. To help you find the perfect model, we've compiled a list of the 5 best 3D printers. Be sure to check link in the description below for prices and additional details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest tech updates. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M is a game changer in the world of 3D printing, designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experience makers alike. After extensive testing and evaluation, it's clear that this printer combines user-friendly features with impressive performance, making it one of the standout models in its class. One of the most striking aspects of the Adventurer 5M is its ease of use. The setup process is straightforward, allowing users to get started in no time. The intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies navigation through settings and printing options, making it accessible for those who may be new to 3D printing. Additionally, the printer features a removable and flexible build plate, which makes the removal of prints hassle-free and minimizes the risk of damage. In terms of print quality, the Adventurer 5M excels, delivering high-resolution prints with excellent detail. Whether you're creating intricate models or functional prototypes, this printer holds its own. It supports a variety of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, providing versatility for different projects. The automatic bed leveling feature also ensures consistent adhesion and minimizes the chances of failed prints. Another highlight is the printer's enclosed design, which not only enhances safety, but also helps regulate temperature during the printing process, reducing warping and improving overall print quality. The built-in camera allows for remote monitoring of prints, giving users peace of mind and the ability to check on their projects from anywhere. Number 4. Sovol T500 stands out as an impressive machine that combines affordability with high-quality performance. After extensive testing and comparison with several other models, it's clear that the T500 is an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Sovol T500 is its robust build quality. The all-metal frame provides stability during prints, reducing vibrations and ensuring that your creations come out precisely as intended. The large print volume of 500 by 500 by 500 millimeters is a significant advantage, allowing users to tackle larger projects without the constraints often found in budget printers. The setup process is straightforward, with a well-written manual that guides you through assembly and calibration. The printer comes partially assembled, which means you can start printing in no time. The user-friendly touchscreen interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate through settings and start prints with minimal hassle. Print quality is where the Sovol T500 truly shines. The detailed layer resolution and excellent extrusion consistency result in smooth finish and impressive detail retention. Whether you're printing intricate models or functional parts, this printer delivers stunning results. Additionally, the dual-gear direct drive extruder significantly improves filament handling, especially with flexible materials. Another notable feature is the printer's compatibility with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU, giving users the flexibility to experiment with different materials. The inclusion of a heated print bed ensures good adhesion, reducing the chances. Number 3. Creality K1 Max is a game changer in the realm of 3D printing, designed to meet the needs of both novice and experienced makers alike. After extensive testing of various 3D printers, it's clear that the K1 Max stands out for its impressive performance, user-friendly features, and robust build quality. One of the most striking aspects of the Creality K1 Max is its large build volume, which allows for the creation of larger models without compromising detail. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to tackle ambitious projects or create prototypes. The printer boasts a heated bed that ensures excellent adhesion and minimizes warping, which is crucial for successful prints. The K1 Max comes equipped with advanced technology, including an intuitive touchscreen interface that makes operation a breeze. Setup is straightforward, and the printer is ready to go in a matter of minutes, even for those who are new to 3D printing. Additionally, the printer supports a variety of filament types, giving users the flexibility to experiment with different materials. From PLA to PEC and beyond, print quality is where the K1 Max truly shines. The precision of the prints is remarkable. Details are crisp, and layer adhesion is strong. Whether you're working on intricate designs or simple models, the K1 Max delivers consistent results that will impress even the most discerning users. In terms of reliability, the Creality K1 Max does not disappoint. It features a sturdy frame that minimizes vibrations during printing, contributing to Number 2. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo has quickly established itself as a standout option for both novices and seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts alike. After extensive testing and analysis, we can confidently say that this printer offers a remarkable blend of performance, versatility, and user-friendly features at an attractive price point. One of the most impressive aspects of the Kobra S1 Combo is its robust build quality. The printer boasts a sturdy frame that minimizes vibrations, ensuring high precision in every print. The large build volume allows for a variety of projects, whether you're creating intricate models or larger prototypes. Plus, the heated bed ensures excellent adhesion and reduces warping, which is crucial for successful prints. User experience is where the Kobra S1 truly shines. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes navigation a breeze. Even for beginners, the printer comes partially assembled, which means you can get started with minimal setup time. Additionally, Anycubic includes a wealth of resources, including tutorials and community support, which can be invaluable for those just starting their 3D printing journey. Print quality is exceptional, with detailed layers and vibrant colors. When using quality filaments, the printer supports multiple filament types, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, making it a versatile choice for different printing needs. We were particularly impressed with the accuracy and consistency of the prints, which rival those from much more expensive models. Another standout feature, the Kobra S1 Combo's automatic bed leveling system. This technology significantly simplifies the calibration process. Number 1. Creality K1 Combo is a game-changer for both novice and seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts. After extensive testing, it's clear that this all-in-one package combines ease of use, versatility, and high-quality output, making it a standout in the crowded 3D printing market. One of the most impressive features of the K1 is its user-friendly interface. The setup process is a breeze, thanks to the clear instructions and intuitive touchscreen. Within minutes, you can be up and running, making it ideal for those who are new to 3D printing. Additionally, the auto bed leveling feature ensures a hassle-free calibration process, helping you achieve perfect prints right from the start. When it comes to print quality, the K1 does not disappoint. It produces detailed and precise prints with a smooth finish, whether you're creating intricate models or functional prototypes. The printer supports a wide range of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and TPU, giving you the flexibility to experiment with different materials and designs. Durability is another strong suit of the K1. The robust construction and